guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa and you're watching Fashion at 50. In this video I'm super excited. I have got another Stitch Fix. I haven't opened it yet. I've just clipped the tape and stuff so that way we'll be able to get into it fairly easy. So I thought I would pull an item out, show it to you and go over it, and then we would try it on before we got to the next item. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a monthly subscription box, or you can get it just when you want it. It is, I believe it's $20 or $25 a month, and then you get that credited toward whatever you keep. And it comes with a little to send whatever you don't want back. Then it comes with an envelope and a card, and it has a ideal of what you got in the box, and it gives you ideals of how to style it. Some cute little pictures, and I hope I got what's in here. And then it does also have Who Styled You, and Rachel styled me again, and she hit the nail on the head last time, and I'm super excited to have her to style me again. But it has a little personalized little letter to you from your stylist. And then it has another paper that tells you the prices of everything. So, yeah, so I'm excited to try these on. And you get to go in and select what price range you want in. And of course, me being me, I picked the lowest price of everything. But this one's let's just try this stuff on and get on in there and see how they fit and see what I got, okay? Alright, here's my bundle, and I'm liking the colors. Lots of navy blues, and it has some jean material and some white. So let's get in there and see what we got. Don't pay no never mind to the outfit that I have on. I did not wear it out anywhere today. I've just had it on here at home. I know that you can see through it, but it's just me here, so I wasn't too worried about it. But this first item, oh, I love it. I love florals. Is that not pretty? And I love the material. This is Market and Spruce in a size 3X. Oh, it's amazing. I love the material. It's nice and stretchy. Let's see if I have some bottoms. Yep. Here are Love Liverpool plus size 18Ws. And there's a lot of stretch. They seem to be crop. Yep, they're crop. And they are indigo blue. They have pockets in the front and in the back. And this is, let's try these on and see how they fit. Okay, I hope you guys can see me. I'm so far back here. But this is the top. It is a little clingy, but I love how it's high-low. Or maybe it's not supposed to be that way. It's just the big booties makes it high. But I love the length of it. This is the back. But I love this white with the floral. I'm a floral girl. And I love the V-neck, and it's so soft. This is Market and Spruce Trimmer V-neck knit top white 3X, and it's $28. Not bad. Okay, let's talk about the jeans. These are Belinda crop skinny jeans in indigo blue. They're 18W. They're by the name brand Liverpool. They're $88. And they are cropped, and they fit amazing. They're very high-waisted. My belly button's right here, so they're that far above. And they have pockets. And if you can see, they are rolled up, and then they are shorter, cropped. I guess that means the same thing, short crop. But these are so super cute, and they're so comfortable. They're very, very stretchy. They're lightweight. They're not real heavy. I love them. You guys tell me how you think they look. Do they look okay? So this is a $100 outfit right here. Do you guys think it's worth $100? Let me know in the comments below. And this is if I wear it out. Okay, I think I got a couple more tops. So we're going to leave the bottoms on and try on. Oh my gosh. Would this not be gorgeous underneath a kimono or a cardigan? Something like that with some dress pants. Oh, I love it. Look at this detail. Oh, that is so elegant. Let's try this on and see if it fits. Is this not gorgeous? It is so light and airy. It has 2 layers. It has your lining, and then it has this layer that has this gorgeous, I don't know what you call that, embellishment, but it is so beautiful. And it's perfect length under the arms. I absolutely love it. And this is the back. Is this not gorgeous? All right, let's see what this one costs. Okay, it's the Skies Are Blue Sanderson embroidery detail embroidery detail. It's white 3X. It's $54. It is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I love it. It would go so good. I mean, even with jeans, it looks good. I love it. You guys tell me what you think. Is it a keeper? Rachel is hitting the nail on the head again. Most definitely. Okay, the next 2 items I think are dresses. So, let's see. Oh, it's a wrap style dress. It's blue with florals on it. I said in my comment on my little box that they give you to write what you want in it, I said I want some summer items and I love florals. So look at this. They sent me lots of florals and I wanted some jean material. So they did good. They sent exactly what I wanted. This is by Fortune and Ivy in a 3X. So yeah, how much is this? Fortune and Ivy Rowan Fox Wrap Knit Dress. It's $48. That's not bad. So let's see how this looks. Okay guys, I have honestly fell in love. This, I love the fluttery sleeves. I love this bow wrap thing going on because it's not real wrap. I love it. I love the cleavage on it. And it has a slip underneath, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through. I'm in love. You guys tell me what you think. The length of it is perfect. Oh, I'm in love, guys. You tell me what you think. And this is the back. It feels so dainty and pretty. I don't want to take this one off. We got one more dress. I think it's a dress to try on. I'm super excited after trying this one on. I don't want to take this one off. Okay, we got one more item. It seems to be pretty heavy. It's like a midnight blue. Okay. It's a maxi dress. Okay, I haven't tried on a maxi dress in a while. And it seems to be faux wrap as well. Oh, I'm excited. Let's try this one on and see how it looks. Is this not beautiful? I feel so elegant. This would be great to go to a wedding or a baby shower. I'm 5'4", and if you can see, the length is perfect. It's a little on the heavy side, and it has this tie on the side. It comes up perfect under the arms, and it's got wide straps, so you could wear a wide, just a regular bra with it, I would think. I've got a racer back bra on, so you could see that. But I love it. I feel so elegant in it. And this is the back. I love this crisscross faux style. I just love it. I think it's so elegant and girly. But you guys tell me what you think. This one, okay. This one is the Market and Spruce Helena Faux Wrap Knit Dress in Navy. It's a 3X and it's $78. The quality is amazing. So it's well worth $78 when it comes to the quality. But this is awesome. This is just great for summer. So she hit the nail on the head with this one. Let's go over pricing. Alright, if I kept everything in the box, it's $296. If I buy everything, I get a $74 discount, which is $222. I don't get a discount of $20 or $25 because I didn't have to pay for this box. I got it free. So my order would be $222 if I kept everything in the box. But what I think I'm going to do is keep the navy dress, the, what is it? The Fortune and Ivy faux wrap dress for $48, and the white Market and Spruce floral top. I love it. It's $28. I just bought a bunch of jeans and shorts and things like that, so I really don't need no more cropped pants. I've already got me 3 pair, so I'm going to send those back. And then this, I'm going to send it back because it's just a little bit too heavy for me and a little bit too pricey as well. Same as the jeans, they're a little bit pricier than what I want to spend. But yeah, that's Stitch Fix. And I absolutely love it. I'll leave it in the box below. And if I can put the name of all these in that box below, I will. So if you want to ask for the same item in your box, you may be able to do that by what I put in the box below. But I'll leave a link there for you to click on if you want to try out Stitch Fix as well. But anyway, that's all I got for this. Be sure to check me out on Instagram. It's MCASEY3422. And check out my Poshmark. It's at MCASEY3422. And be sure to subscribe. Hit the notification bell and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll try to do some more. So until the next one, I love you guys bunches. Bye guys.